All right, people, you know where you're at. This is your host with the most. How's everybody doing out there? If you're new here, welcome. I'm truly glad everybody stopped by. Let's get it. I'm not going to take too many ticks on this. I'm just not taking no more ticks no more. Email will be in the front. You want to, donate, it's in the front. All right? I'm bringing you options here, people. Shout out to the realist. I don't know who this person is, man, but shout them out. They putting up new Omegas every day. Every day. So please, people, please, do not hesitate to explore the wizard. Now, went through this one. Everything's on the up and up. You can get your RTMP input. Everything is working. Okay? Now, I always tell everybody, please, if it's one thing you want to do, the one thing you're going to want to do is actually go to your wizard and write your advanced settings. And I am not doing that this video. Okay? I've done it plenty of videos before and things of that nature. Really easy to navigate. Nothing wrong. I kind of like this skin. It feels like it's smoother on Omega. Everything feels like it's smoother. Like I said, I didn't come here to waste you guys' time. Got some other things in the works. If you guys want some Nexus setup still, let me know in the comments below. If you still need some Nexus, if I could get, maybe 50 likes on this video, I will start putting out some Nexuses. All right, maybe about 5 to 10 comments that say they want Nexuses. I'll do it also. Please don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe. Hit it. It's nothing else going on out here on no other channel. I'm not coming with the, with the greatest thumbnails and you must get this and all of that. They got rules and I'm following them. Okay? So I'm following the rules. That's what we got to do. But like I said, you guys, the wizard is here. Please make sure this is the amber skin, as you guys can see, and everything is totally clean on this. It's just clean. Don't ever be scared to go into the file manager too. You might find some things out there. That's what I do. I don't know why you don't do it. But I know I'm gonna get a lot of heat. Let me see if I got any comments. I know I'm gonna get a lot of heat. If you guys need anything, please. My email is there. I have contacted over 100 people on the emails. I do contact back. It's no rush here. Let's just see. Let's see this real quick. Because I like to, sometimes, okay, once you guys get to the wizard, please, just go on the tools. Please. And just go to quick config. I mean, I can't really, there's nothing else I can really tell you, to have your system running optimally. Now, if you really want your system running optimally, please contact me. And please understand, time is money and money is time. So don't try to get on the phone and sit with me for an hour for free, baby. Okay, it's just not going to happen in this day and age. It's 2024 and we at the door with it, okay? But please make sure you guys do this. Nothing really major. I really want you guys to check this one out and let me know how you guys are feeling it. Like I said, shout out to the realist. Let me know how you guys like this setup. If you get a chance, like, share, and subscribe, but most of all, comment. Please don't forget to hit the notification bells, people. As always, I'm hoping you guys are having a blessed, peaceful, and a productive day. Love and peace for all. Never forget, it is good to be good, and it is bad to be bad. I'm going to see you guys on the next one, y'all. Peace.